Boost your credit score with these simple tips and watch your financial success soar. Congratulations on achieving a good credit score. This fantastic accomplishment unlocks a world of financial benefits, but simply having a good score isn't enough. You need to strategically leverage it to maximize its power. This video equips you with the knowledge on how to make the most of your good credit score. We'll delve into how it empowers you to secure the best interest rates on loans, from mortgages and car loans to student loans if applicable. The lower interest rates translate to significant savings throughout the loan term, freeing up more money for your financial goals. Another exciting perk is qualifying for credit cards with attractive rewards programs. Imagine earning cash back on everyday purchases, accumulating travel points for dream vacations, or snagging valuable sign-up bonuses. These rewards can significantly stretch your budget and add exciting perks to your financial life. Additionally, a good credit score can even help you negotiate lower rates on insurance premiums for your car, home, or even life insurance. Remember, your credit score reflects your responsible credit management. By using your credit cards wisely, making timely payments in full whenever possible, and maintaining a low credit utilization ratio, the amount of credit using compared to your total limit, you can continue nurturing your good score and unlock even more financial advantages in the future. So view your good credit score as a powerful tool. Use the information in this video to explore better loan options with lower interest rates. Research credit cards with rewarding benefits to maximize your spending. Additionally, leverage your good score to potentially negotiate lower insurance rates. By strategically utilizing these benefits, you can save money, access valuable financial products, and ultimately achieve your financial goals faster. Let's turn your good credit score into a springboard for financial success. Now that we've explored the major benefits, let's delve into some practical strategies to maximize the impact of your good credit score. Here are some key points to remember. Shop around and compare rates. Don't settle for the first offer you receive on a loan or credit card. Your good credit score empowers you to negotiate, compare rates from different lenders, and leverage your score to negotiate the best possible terms. Monitor your credit report regularly. It's crucial to stay vigilant and monitor your credit report for any errors or suspicious activity. You can access free credit reports from each of the 3 major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion once a year. If you find any inaccuracies, dispute them immediately to ensure your credit score reflects your responsible credit history accurately. Maintain low credit utilization. A crucial factor influencing your credit score is your credit utilization ratio. This is the amount of credit you're currently using compared to your total credit limit. Aim to keep this ratio below 30% for optimal credit score health. This demonstrates your ability to manage credit responsibly without overextending yourself. Avoid unnecessary credit inquiries. Hard inquiries. When a lender pulls your credit report to review your creditworthiness for a loan or credit card, can temporarily lower your score. Be mindful of applying for too much credit at once. If unsure if you qualify for a specific loan or card, utilize pre-qualification options that often rely on a soft inquiry, which doesn't impact your score. So there you have it. We've explored the exciting benefits of a good credit score and how to make the most of it. Remember, your good credit score is like a key that unlocks a world of financial opportunities. It empowers you to secure the best interest rates on loans, qualify for credit cards with amazing rewards programs, and potentially even negotiate lower insurance premiums. By strategically utilizing these advantages, you can save significant money, access valuable financial products, and ultimately achieve your financial goals faster, taking action for a brighter future. Here's the exciting part: you're now in control. Use the information from this video to take action. Explore better loan options with lower interest rates. Research credit cards with rewarding benefits that align with your spending habits. Consider leveraging your good credit score to potentially negotiate lower insurance rates on your car, home, or life insurance. By taking these steps, you're actively saving money and putting yourself in a better financial position, building a secure financial future. Remember, a good credit score is a valuable asset that requires ongoing care and maintenance. Implement the strategies we discussed, like making on-time payments, keeping your credit utilization low, and monitoring your credit report regularly. By remaining responsible with your credit, you're not just maintaining a good score, you're building a secure financial future. Embrace your financial power. Let your good credit score be a stepping stone to achieving your financial goals. Whether it's buying a dream home, saving for retirement, or taking that unforgettable vacation, a good credit score empowers you to make it happen. And don't be afraid to leverage this financial advantage and take control of your financial well-being. Thanks for joining me on this journey of maximizing your good credit score. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on building financial literacy and achieving financial freedom. Feel free to leave a comment below with any questions you might have, and I'll do my best to answer them. Remember, knowledge is power, and financial literacy is key to unlocking a brighter financial future. Let's leverage our good credit scores and work towards financial freedom together.